the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, wheel locks, rear lip spoiler, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, rear bumper protector, PIO, audio, internet radio, Pandora. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.